to come here. Look.
Let's go.
Good, thank you. So now we are just going to call our car. So we hired a car in Tasmania. So we have just had our lunch at that Irish pub, and we went back to the car and we found a surprise! Ta-da! We're only like 2 hours in Tasmania and we already got a fine. Well, it wasn't really very clear that it's a paid parking area, so yeah, be careful. Read all the signs everywhere. If there's no sign, don't believe it. So, anyway, we need to move on. I'm not going first. You will go first. Stop. It's dark. It's November 1, by the way. Love.
On suspicion of stealing a shirt. 7 days.
This is our Halloween episode. It's all wood. Love, I'm scared.
Go inside.
No!
Here, let me show you. It's time. Come.
Oh, I'm not gonna go there.
No, come in this one. This one's scarier.
No,
Come on.
no.
Come through.
I'm not going there.
Look, you can do it. Do it for your fans.
No, I can't.
Do it for your subscribers.
Sorry. Thank you very much for your loving support, but I won't be able to go inside.
Let's come in.
It's dark.
Oh, it gets real dark in here. Look.
Love.
Oh, ah!
Oi.
Paleo.
Wow.
I'm scared.
Bloody thing.
Look, I'm in prison.
Come on. X.
Oh, look at this. She's too scared.
Next. Love, where are you? Don't leave me. A jail built by convicts. There you go. Punishment methods. Okay, so that's the convicts' clothing. So they get tied up in that triangle there. And then they stand there and then they whip them. Whip, 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 whip.
No, you're talking to the camera.
Hotel. This is our room. Bathroom. Lovely bathroom. Outside the Rest Point Hotel and have a look at this view. Another view there. Hi, love. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 in Hobart, Tasmania. So for today, we are eating our breakfast at the Duchess Cafe.
Yes.
The itinerary for today will be Port Arthur, and the second one will be the Bonorong Sanctuary, and the third one will be the Mount Wellington.
We may not get to all of our destinations today. It depends on time.
On our way to Port Arthur, we are still on the Tasman highway. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And we still got 37 minutes left.
It's a party. Having a nature bird.
Nature bird. We are in Tasman National Park. Look out. Look at that scenery. Tesellated pavement in the Pirates Bay Beach. Everyday view. Port Arthur Historic Site. Here we are. If you wanna have exercise and scenic view, you need to come here. Look. Amazing view. So I think it's worth the exercise. Let's go. We are in the Penitentiary now. This is where the convicts lived. But all those, it is consist of 3 floors. If you are in the ground floor, you are the most deadly convict. The higher you are in the building, the most behaved you are. This is the separate prison next to the asylum. So let's go and have a look what is in here. So it has got 15 rooms. Comment down below if you see anything. There you go, that's your example. He's coming. Yeah, that's his exercise for the day. High walls, of course. No one can escape. Comment down below if you see anything. So this is the Church of the Convicts. Oh my god, you got the... Do you know what is he preaching? Do it properly. This is the hospital for the convicts. Just the ruins. Look, this is what it looks like inside. There's an underground level. This is the part of the hospital. Okay, let's do French lesson 101.
Consult a French tutor if you require.
So, the word for today, faux-salé. Repeat after me.
Faux-salé.
And that is our French word for today. See you in my next lesson. Very windy, but there's snow here. Look. It's real. You want to have halo halo? Look. You love. It's no love. Don't. Don't.
Now, I want to have a play. Ah! Goodness.
He's gonna sink myself down. Hurt himself. Lie down, it's alright. Relax. Look. I think it's not me. Look, he's throwing it to me. Ay! That's nice, love. Stick. Look. Oh, love. Careful. Love. Love, I can't carry you out. And that concludes our day 2 in Hobart. So basically, we are going to travel to our next destination tomorrow. So tune in for the next video.
And farewell, Hobart.
See you in the next stop. Let's go.